welcome aboard Monorail Purple, the Walt Disney World Monorail system. As a reminder to those guests standing, we do ask you to please remain holding on to the silver handrails provided for your safety at all times. For the comfort and courtesy of those around you, please no eating, drinking, or smoking. Our next stop will be the Transportation Ticket Center, which is home of Magic Kingdom car and bus parking. Thank you.
C'est
boss.
Tout boss.
You're welcome.
Ah papa, maman, c'est le jour ici complet.
Ah super. Attends, je voulais juste te faire un...
Non papa, il reste plus que 12 minutes là.
Non mais juste petite.
Il y a sa clignote.
Ouais ouais, super batterie. J'ai plus de batterie. Mais ça fait rien, juste comme ça.
On est dans le nez de la voiture. Stop.
Super.
Ça va.
Chouette.
C'est une femme qui conduisait.
C'est l'auteur, l'histoire. Oui,
Oh, regarde. C'est super. Oh, ça allait vite. C'est cool.
et la biche. Là, là. C'est le vol.
Il est dur, hein?
Ah non, c'est pas un vol. Ah si,
Si, si, il a l'air dur, hein, papa?
Ouais.
Ils ont toujours l'air durs. Et ils sont très durs.
Ladies and gentlemen, we're now on final approach to the Transportation and Ticket Center. As a reminder to those guests standing, please remain holding on to the silver handrails provided for your safety until the monorail comes to a full and complete stop inside the station. We then ask that all passengers please look around, gather up all personal belongings, assist all children by the hand. Watch your step when exiting through the automatic doors that will open to the right of our forward motion. The Transportation and Ticket Center is home of Magic Kingdom car and bus parking, bus transportation to Disney MGM Studios, and adjoining monorail transportation to the Epcot Center. Once again, this is the Transportation and Ticket Center, our one and only stop this evening. We do ask all passengers please disembark. Thank you.
Est-ce que tu vois
Il marche pas.
Ça marche pas? Quoi qui marche
Regarde comment on va s'arrêter. Regarde, regarde.
C'est pas la chair.
Thank you, ciao.
Welcome aboard the Walt Disney World Resort Monorail to Epcot Center. For those of you standing, please hold on to the handrails throughout our journey and stay clear of the doors. For the comfort of others, no smoking please. Thank you. As we turn south, you can catch a glimpse of the spires of Space Mountain in the Magic Kingdom. Nearby is Disney's Contemporary Resort. Monorail serving our themed resorts in Magic Kingdom travel right through Disney's Contemporary Resort and stop at a station on the 5th floor. Many of our service and show vehicles are experimental transportation systems. Certainly the most popular is the Walt Disney World Monorail system. Powered by electric motors, each monorail rides on a combination of more than 100 tires. We're traveling aboard an innovation in transportation technology. Our
That's
next
switch
stop
speed.
is Epcot
That
Center.
track moves over. That's how I take a train from this track to the Magic Kingdom Loop. Take one it off this track. The beam moves over and replaces the piece until this beam swings, and the piece here swings over.
Are they ever going to put one through it to MGM?
They will eventually. Once MGM doubles in size. Too small for park right now. They can't handle Monorail. Make the park too congested, too many people. I've already got the pylons and footings, just gotta wait till they double the size of their park to run Monorail up there.
Human achievement and potential. Its 550 acres are divided into two worlds, Future World and World Showcase. Future World offers fascinating explorations into realms of energy, transportation, and imagination. You'll also find adventures in communications, sea exploration, food production, and other vital topics. World Showcase is a community of nations highlighting the accomplishments of people around the world. On the banks of the 40-acre World Showcase Lagoon are Mexico, Norway, China, Germany, Italy, the American Adventure, Japan, Morocco, France, the United Kingdom, and Canada. Young adults from each nation represented in World Showcase are among your hosts, making this a true international exchange.
Delta, Delta, Delta,
behind Spaceship Earth is Earth Station, featuring new information systems developed especially to assist your Epcot Center visit. To the opposite side is the Universe of Energy. On the roof are solar cells that help power our exploration of the world of energy inside the attraction. Next is the Wonders of Life. Inside you'll discover Body Wars, an attraction that will take you on an amazing adventure through the human body. Then comes Horizons, where you'll experience 21st century living on land, at sea, and out in space. In World of Motion, you'll get a whimsical and informative look at the past and future of transportation. Coming into view is World Showcase. Directly across from us on the far shore of the World Showcase Lagoon is our host pavilion, the American Adventure.
Light show at over here. At 9 o'clock. It's over top the Lagoon area.
The glass pyramids are the gateways to your journey into imagination. You can also express your own creativity here in The Imageworks and take a 3D journey with Michael Jackson, starring as Captain EO. Next is the land, where you will discover creative partnerships between people and the land around the world. In the living seas, you can descend via hydrolator to Seabase Alpha and navigate the largest, most spectacular coral reef environment ever created by man. Along the inside of the circle we have made around Future World is Communicore, where you can take a behind-the-scenes look at the amazing computers that help run the Walt Disney World Resort and observe portraits drawn by robots in Expo Robotics. Ladies and gentlemen, we're approaching the Epcot Center monorail station. Please stay clear of the doors and hold on to the handrails until the monorail comes to a complete stop and the doors open automatically. Thank you for traveling with us, and we hope you enjoy your visit to Epcot Center.
Purple Delta. Below the back. Turn dead ending. You're clear of normal visual operation.
Oh, thanks. But you never thought you'd be on camera, huh?
You gotta move along.
Oh, go ahead, go ahead.